Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. I am Miss Mehwish, your Islamic teacher. Today we are going to start unit number 22, Hajj, a pillar of Islam. Open page number 43 and write today's day and date. Let's start its reading. Unit number 22, Hajj, a pillar of Islam. Hajj, the pilgrimage to Makkah, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. We have already done this concept that there are 5 pillars of Islam. These are Salah, Zakah, Som, Hajj, Shahada. So we have already done the first 4, that is Shahada, Som, Salah and Zakah. Now today we are going to do Hajj. So Hajj, the pilgrimage to Makkah, is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. A Muslim who has the means to do it must perform pilgrimage to Makkah at least once in his lifetime. A Muslim who is able to do so must perform pilgrimage to Makkah at least once in his lifetime, and this pilgrimage is called Hajj. Hajj is the Arabic word for this pilgrimage. So, before actually entering into the Makkah, every pilgrim must put on a special dress called ihram. So, have you seen when someone is going to perform Hajj, they used to wear a white dress, that they used to put on a white dress, a special dress that is called ihram. So, this shows that everyone is the same before Allah. So, everyone is wearing the same white dress. This shows that everyone is same before Allah. Everyone is equal in front of Allah. Okay, next step is on reaching the holy mosque at Makkah. The pilgrims walk around the Kaaba 7 times. So, the pilgrims walk around the Kaaba how many times? 7 times. What they do? They used to walk. Pilgrims walk around the Kaaba 7 times. This is called tawaf. Okay, on reaching the holy mosque at Makkah, pilgrims walk around the Kaaba 7 times, and this is called tawaf. After tawaf, next the pilgrims run 7 times between the 2 hills called Safa and Marwa. After performing tawaf, the pilgrims run 7 times. What do they do? They run 7 times between the 2 hills. The name of the 2 hills are Safa and Marwa. And how many times they run? 7 times. They run 7 times between the 2 hills called Safa and Marwa, and this running is called Sa'i in Arabic. Okay, in Arabic it's called Sa'i. They used to run between the 2 hills. The name of these hills are Safa and Marwa. So this running is called Sa'i in Arabic. So now what do they do next? The pilgrims then go to the plain of Arafat. Okay, they then go to the plain of Arafat after performing tawaf and sa'i. The pilgrims then move to the plain of Arafat. It is about 15 kilometers away from Makkah. When the Hajj is over, the pilgrims remove their ihram and put on their usual dress. After performing these steps, the pilgrims remove their ihram, their white dress, their special dress, and they put on their normal clothes, their usual clothes, and they return home with the memories of the holy place. So, Hajj is also one of the 5 pillars of Islam, and it is the pilgrimage to Makkah, and we perform it step by step. Watch this video carefully and again to understand it well. We'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take a lot care of yourself. Stay home, safe. Allah Hafiz from my side.